Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to solve many more sums on parallelograms. Let us start. Now here if you see children, L, M, N, P is a parallelogram as they have given, and we have to find the value of x, y and z. Now if you see children this diagram, right? Only this part. Now this is a right angle triangle. So we can say PMN is a right angled triangle. Okay, now if P is 30 and this shape tells us that this is 90 degree, right? So 30 plus 90 plus Z. What will be the measure of this children? It will be 180. What is the reason you will write? Angle sum property. So angle sum property says the measures of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now this is 120 plus z is equal to 180. So z is equal to 180 minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. So now we have got z is equal to 60 degree. Okay children. Now let us find out what is x. We have found out what is z. Now we are going to find out what is x. Now children, I have drawn a replica of this here to give you a clear understanding how to find x. Now this is a parallelogram. That means the opposite sides are parallel. So this angle is parallel to this. So if I extend this line and if I extend this line, so these are two interior angles. Okay, and this is the transversal. PM is the transversal. And what do 30 and x form? They are alternate interior angles. So we can say 30 degree is equal to x because they are alternate interior angles. And alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so we have found out now what is x. Now let us find out children what is y. Now to find y, we know this is a parallelogram. So if I rub all this, okay. So now we have got a clear picture. PLMN is a parallelogram and y and z are opposite sides. So z is equal to 60 degree. So if this is 60, what will be y? Y also will be 60. So z is equal to y is equal to 60 degree. And what reason will you give? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So in this way we have got y, we have got z and we have got x. So now let us go to this diagram children. ABCD, now you can see this is a parallelogram, so this side is parallel to this side, and first we will find out whatever is inside this. Now this is also in the shape of a right angle triangle. You can see this, that is D, I will mark this as O, DOC. Okay, so you can say that DOC is a right angle triangle. Okay, now what is the measure of x? Now these are two diagonals, they are meeting like this. Okay, these two diagonals are meeting like this, and this down is 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, this also will be 90 degree. Why children? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So 90 is equal to x. So we have got now x as 90 degree. What will we write? 90 degree is equal to x. The reason being vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, now in this triangle children, we have got 90, we have got 30. So x is 90 degree and this part of C is 30 degree, and now we have to find y. But as they are a triangle, all this sum put together should be equal to 180. Reason being angle sum property. So 120 plus y is equal to 180 and y is equal to 180 minus 120, which will give you y as 60 degree. Okay, so you have got x, you have got y. Now let us come to z. Now here I have drawn a replica, children, and these lines are parallel. So this line is parallel to this, and this is the transversal. That is, this line is the transversal, and y is on the right hand side and z is on the left hand side. So what are these angles, children? Yeah, they are alternate interior angles. So you can say y is equal to z is equal to 60 degree. Alternate interior angles are equal. And with this we have finished the sum. So always try to break it into two and find out the measures. It will be easy. Bye.